Okay, so we are here today. I'm gonna be doing a really quick, not really an unboxing video, but more of a quick review on the new Zoom F1. This product just got released by Zoom. I've been looking for like a few recorder to do some quick videos and stuff like that and whatnot. I had a radio transmitter version for these microphones. The range kind of sucked and the audio signal kept dropping off, so I decided, you know what, I should find something more like this bad boy. So that's what I picked up, and instead of doing like unboxing, kind of boring, I'm just gonna go jump straight to the field test on these. All right, so let me unpack my drone and we can get started. Alright, so back to what I was talking about. The Zoom F1. So let's get into it while this drone is up in the air. So this is what the device looks like. So far I really like it. Pretty simple to use. It comes with, I actually got the lavalier version of it. It comes with two versions. One, it comes with a mic, and the other one comes with a lavalier mic. I got a lavalier version because that's what I kind of needed it for in the first place. So if this thing also comes with a attachment where you can, if you don't want to use the lavalier, you can actually buy a few of the attached microphone where you can just attach it to this and take out a lavalier and it turns into a boom mic. Here are a few features on this that I really like. The hold right here, you hold this to power it on. It loads up really quick as well. Right now it's actually picking up my voice as well. With this off and on button right here, you can, once you click on hold, all of these buttons, if you try to push it down by mistake, you can't. It's just on hold, pretty much. That is a plus right there, just in case you have this on you and you make some kind of a mistake and push a button or whatnot. Release it from hold and start recording. So right now, the audio that's coming out of this is actually from the Zoom right now. They have different features, like it has a low cut feature, it has a limiter as well, and you can change your different format recording, everything from right here. Battery, it takes 2 AAA batteries, and cool thing is this clips on and you're good to go. It's so small, you can actually just drop it in your pocket, obviously, and you're good. So the audio that's coming out of this right now is what you guys are hearing from the lavalier. Pretty cool, small little field recorder. So now it's on hold, so if I make a mistake and push a button, that should be good. So, and it clips right on. Very simple to use, man. Like, I love it. Everything gets backed up and recorded right in here. You can't miss that. Another great feature about this that I really wanted and I really like was the fact that you can actually monitor your audio. There's actually a headphone jack right here. You put in your headphone and you can monitor your audio from right in here, which is a really great feature that the other competitor that I was looking at didn't have. No option to monitor your audio, but this thing, it does. Also takes a micro SD card, and you can just leave your card in here, stick this into your computer, and you should be able to pull out the data or the file right from in here without taking out a micro SD card. So love it so far. And if you guys are interested in picking up one of these, they're like, this model is about 200 bucks. The one that comes with a microphone, that model is about 250. So either or, you can just switch any of these microphones out. If you don't want to use this as a lavalier, you can use it as a boom mic as well. This lavalier also, it screws in there, so there's no way you'll be able to like mistakenly come out. It just pretty much screws right in. Any other information that you guys are interested in, keep following my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, deuces. So I am going to continue flying my drone. You guys can stick around and watch if you want. If not, I don't know, do whatever you feel like doing. But I have the Phantom up there and it's just recording some random stuff. Alright. kind of cool. I don't know if this mic is picking up this, but as you can see, I'm pretty close to it. So I don't know about the control, the silence, how silent it is, because I know with boom mic you'll be able to pick up everything. So hopefully, yeah, I'm gonna get close to this. See, it's picking up pretty loud. And the great thing is I can go as far as I want. I won't be able to drop signal or lose signal or nothing. That's another great feature on this I like. All right, so